Most people think making a high-end AI music video requires jumping between 5 different apps and wasting hours of time. But today, I'm going to show you a shortcut that completely changes the game. In this video, you'll learn how to use the MakeSong platform to generate professional audio and transform it into a 5-minute, cinematic quality music video all within a single workspace. This is the homepage of MakeSong.com. This is an all-in-one platform that creates music and visuals simultaneously, and the way it syncs the beat is truly impressive. You can see some examples of created music right here. To get started, we click the Sign In button at the top. A box appears here, stating that you get free music generations every time you log in, and you can use them without worrying about copyright. You can sign in using your Gmail account or your personal email. As always, I'll proceed with my Gmail. Once you're in, you'll see this dashboard where all the tools are gathered on the home page for easy access. In this video, I won't be using every single feature because the video would get too long. Instead, I want to focus on a stunning feature that I've never encountered on any other platform before. First, we're going to generate a song, and then we'll create a music video using that exact track. From the left sidebar, click on Create Song to open this page. In this section, you can either write your own lyrics or use this option to enter your prompt. We are using version 5, which is the latest model. It's much higher quality and more advanced than previous versions. Here, we enter our prompt. My request is as follows: aggressive cowbell funk, heavy distorted bass, drift music style, high energy, dark underground, 160 BPM. I wanted to create a specific kind of car music vibe, which is why I provided those details. When we click on the GPT option, we can refine our prompt into a more professional version using GPT-5. I'll skip this step for now. Below that, you can select the style, mood, voice, and tempo. Each category has many options. For example, under Style, you have pop, rock, punk, electronic, and many more. Since I already included these in my prompt, I won't overcomplicate it and will stick with my original request. Finally, I'll hit Generate and wait for the music to be created. It takes less than 30 seconds. Let's wait and see. Our music is ready. Let's listen to it together. I personally like the second one. Now, you can download it using this option in either MP3 or WAV format. You can also download it along with its license. I'll go with the MP3 version and save it to my system. Now, let's create another track together. This time, I'll type my prompt like this: energetic K-pop boy group, catchy synth-pop melody, powerful dance beat, bright polished production, high energy. After writing this, I'll use the GPT assistant this time. I'll copy the prompt I wrote, paste it here, and hit Generate to get a more professional prompt. Now, I'll copy and paste that back. I won't change the style, mood, or voice settings. I'll just hit Generate. Let's wait for our new track. It's done. Let's have a listen.
In my veins, spark in my motion. Now feel the whole place open. Spark in my veins, spark in my veins. We light it up and we...
Both tracks are fantastic. I love them both. I'll download the one I prefer. Now, from the left menu, click on Music Video. In this section, you can either upload your own music or use a track from your library that you just created. I'll choose the song we just made. In the Video Prompt section, you enter your request so the AI understands exactly what kind of video you want. I'll write my request like this: Cyberpunk Soul Night, K-pop idol aesthetic, neon lights, flashy stage performance, dynamic camera movements, cinematic 4K, vibrant colors. If your video language isn't English, you select it here, otherwise, keep it on English. For the aspect ratio, you can choose based on your preference and goal. I'll select 16:9, which is perfect for desktop and YouTube. For quality, you can choose between 720p or 1080p. I'll also enable the lip sync option to ensure the performance looks natural. Now, the Generate button is still inactive because we need to provide a reference image. I have a specific image that I'll upload. I created this image earlier. When using a reference image, always try to use one like this so the AI can recognize all angles and use it effectively. If you want to know how to create these types of reference images for yourself, let me know in the comments, and I'll make a separate tutorial for it. After uploading the image, we click Generate Video. It starts building the video. As you can see here, it says it might take about 5 minutes, but the actual time depends on your specific settings. I've already created a video previously. Let's take a look at a snippet.
Steppin', feelin' now. Hands up high, don't let them down. Side to side, we take the floor. Hearts go boom, they beg for more. 1, 2, 3. We hit that spark, paint the night, we leave a mark. Hold your breath. Say my name, then follow me. The room is shaking, can you feel it start? We're 1 second from the spot. Go, 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 go now. Pulse on fire.
It's built brilliantly. I can even say you could use this platform to create music videos for children. Our music video is ready. I hope you've enjoyed the video so far and find this platform useful. I plan to explore the other tools on this site in a separate video. You can see the paid plans of this platform here to choose one based on your needs. I'll provide a more detailed review of this site in the next video to help you decide better. In this video, my goal was simply for us to create a music video together. I'll put the full version at the end of this video. Take care of yourselves, and goodbye to all of you.
Oh yeah, stepping eyes on us, we got that pull, that rush. Chrome on the heartbeat, now you feel it too. Back row to front row, everybody leans in close. One look, one spark, and the room goes loose. Hold on, we're about to take off. Hands up, no, we never slow up. Closer, you can break the motion. Say my name now, feel the whole place open. Spark in my veins, spark in my veins. We light it up and we won't fade. Spark in my veins, spark in my veins. Say it again, we on the way. We on the way. We won't fade. Mirror ball grin, yeah we know the scene. Clean cut chaos like a movie dream. Sneakers hit hard on the polished floor. Every move says you want one thing more. Hold on, we're